price that you take for that call is because obviously for the average mass of the viewers, if you look at the ratings for that particular day or that particular morning, there were 2 or 3 channels that were showing the live pictures, and they got 90% viewership at that time because they were showing the live pictures, whereas we were showing a reporter standing out there with his mouth open looking at whatever was happening. But you know, you have to take the call, and that's why I'm saying that unfortunately right now the business is almost rewarding people for bad behavior, if you know what I mean. You know, because all that matters is TRPs. So if you're doing something which is pushing up your TRPs, you think you will get more advertising. It actually doesn't completely work that way, but that's in a sense what's happening now. Long term, I think there's going to be normalization where people will start to say, we don't want too much hysteria, we don't want too much reckless behavior, and you know that, and hopefully at some point that will start having an impact.
No, but are there any regulations that are held at that?
There's now what's happening is that the nude broadcast, I mean, things have actually changed since that, by the way. So I shouldn't say there are no regulations. There now is there's a new News Broadcasters Association that has been formed, which regularly meets now and regularly issues guidelines to all news channels. And by and large, those are followed. I'll give you an example of that to try and whip up sentiments. So those were the guidelines that came from the News Broadcasters Association, and by and large, everyone stuck to it. So I think this was so hopefully we're reaching a turning point where in many of these things now, same happened with the Godhra verdict yesterday or day before. I think by and large these have been handled in a far more mature manner than they would have been handled even 2-3 years back. So hopefully we are starting to see a turn. And certainly in things like that now, where people can be put at risk, there now are NBA guidelines